Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about how to properly use easy-at-home THC urine drug test kits. Let's explore the testing guide and some practical tips together. Firstly, ensure you carefully read and understand the testing instructions before collecting the urine sample. Proper sample collection is key to ensuring the accuracy of the test. Inside the package, you'll find some individually wrapped test kits. There's also a comprehensive instruction manual that includes step-by-step procedures and a FAQ section to help answer common questions and resolve any basic issues you might have with the product. Testing is easy. First, pull the cap off the test strip. Next, immerse the absorbent end into the urine sample. Make sure not to pass the max line indicated on the strip. Dip until you see the dye starting to rise. Finally, lay the strip flat on a clean, non-absorbent surface and read the result within 5 minutes. Do not read the result after 5 minutes as it may not be accurate. Please note that this test kit has been developed for testing urine samples only. Testing other liquids such as water, tea, or beverages may yield false results. Here are also some tips for processing the test properly. Before conducting the test, try to avoid consuming foods and medications, especially those that could potentially cause false positive results. These include certain antacids, NSAIDs, and antibiotics. During the testing process, make sure to use the correct urine sample for the test. Do not use water or other liquids as substitutes, as this will result in invalid results. Lastly, follow the testing guide for operating procedures, adhering to specified waiting times and temperature conditions during testing. This will help ensure the accuracy of the results. If you have any questions or need further support, please visit our website at www.healthcare-manager.com or contact our customer service team. Thanks for watching.